Doing things the right way, it's easy to do things the right way when everything goes smooth. But the right way really stands out when you see how we treat people, because it's not if, but when we do something wrong, or when our people make a mistake, it's what we do then that really separates us, because we'll do whatever it takes to make it right, whatever it takes. So I think doing it right doesn't stop when we do the work.
Even when things don't go right, it's an opportunity for us to show that we care. And I think that's really important to me, is that we have an organization that cares.
We don't cut corners. We make sure that we do everything that's supposed to be done. So we do it the right way, not the easy way. We don't take the easy way out.
We're gonna be at that customer's home as long as we need to be, right? If something's taking a little bit longer, a little bit harder, then it is what it is. We're not gonna cut corners. We're gonna do things the right way, not the easy way.
Whenever my clients go, Henry, your team did a knockout job, I go, well, define that. And they go, Henry, they put down drop cloths, they pet my dog, they made sure all the things that needed to be moved were moved out of the way so that we didn't damage anything. That's doing things the right way, not the easy way. When my clients tell me that and they give me that feedback, just changes, and it makes my heart beat a little harder.